Okay, so we have a circuit here where when I activate PB1, the forward contactor is not engaging. Now, this can be a number of different problems, but since I already have the PLC set up here, I'm going to walk you through exactly how I would go about troubleshooting this out in the field. So the first thing we need to figure out when we have a motor that's not engaging, is it a power problem or is it a control circuit problem? So the easiest way to do this on a circuit like this is if you have access to the control cabinet, you can just come in and engage the override on the contactor. I push that in, I can see that the motor is spinning. I can hear that the motor is spinning in this case. And so I know that it's not a power circuit problem, it's more than likely a control circuit problem. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at the program here, and it either can be a couple of things. One, it could be programmed incorrectly, but if the system's been running, that's unlikely. And I'm going to engage the start button that, looking at this, would run across through here and engage this. My stop button, my overload, and my reverse all have logical continuity. So I'll come over here and I'll activate my push button 1. Nothing is happening. All right, so I know it's not a programming problem. This is either a wiring problem or a push button problem. So in this case, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and measure voltage at one of two spots. You can measure it across the push button, or you can measure it at the PLC input. So let me show you how I go about doing this. So first, this is a 24-volt input system, and I'm assuming that because of the color of the wire that is there. So I'm going to come up and I'm going to measure the voltage across the push button. This is an open switch, so when it is open, you should have full voltage. When it is closed, you should have 0 volts. I measure across here, I'm getting 22 volts, which is completely fine. And that's what I should be getting on a normally open push button. Now, when I push the button, that should be dropping down to 0, and the voltage should be going to the PLC input, but it's not. What that indicates to me is that I have a switch that is now open, okay? So I will come through, I will replace the contacts on the switch or the switch itself, and I will come in here, I will measure across the switch. Again, I'm getting that 22 volts. Now when I push the button, that voltage goes away to 0 because the voltage went to the input, okay? Now you can hear that the motor is running and the contactor engaged. Activate the stop button and the circuit is working. This is a perfect example of how you troubleshoot a basic, momentary, normally open push button that is wired into a PLC.